$5 isn't enough to make you rich, right? That's what almost everyone believes. But when you see what happens to just $5 a day over time, you'll understand why some people stay broke while others quietly build wealth. Think about where your $5 goes right now: a coffee, a snack, some random app you downloaded and forgot about. It disappears before you even notice it. And honestly, that's fine. $5 feels too small to matter. That's the whole problem. But here's the question nobody really stops to ask. What if, instead of spending it, you just put it to work? Let's do the math. $5 a day is $150 a month. Over a full year, that's $1,825. Okay, not life-changing. I get it. But now, what if you invest that money and it earns roughly 10% annually? Which, by the way, is close to what the stock market has averaged historically over the long run. In 10 years, your $5 a day habit becomes over $30,000. In 20 years, more than $115,000. And in 30 years, $340,000. From $5 a day, the same amount most people spend on a coffee they finish in 10 minutes and never think about again. Here's the part that actually gets me though. The money isn't even the most powerful thing happening here. It's what the habit does to you. When you invest $5 a day, even just $5, you start seeing money differently. You stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like someone who's building something. Slowly, quietly, on purpose. The people I've seen genuinely build wealth over time, most of them didn't start with big salaries or lucky breaks. They just started small, started early, and they didn't stop. $5 today, invested consistently, beats $500 10 years from now. Because the real asset isn't the money. It's the time you give it to grow. So, what does this actually look like in practice? You open a basic investment account. There are apps now that let you start with literally $1. You set up an automatic transfer, even just $5, on a schedule you forget about. And you put it into something simple, like a broad index fund that tracks the overall market. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to understand any of this deeply at first. You just need to start, and then not stop. That's genuinely it. No secret strategy. No guru. Just time, and the decision to treat $5 like it matters. Because it does.